Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert line for answer in Word. So I will show you step by step process. So let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here I am on my Word. So let me show you. There is a 2-3 method. I will show you one by one. So let me write first one question. Okay, so here if you want to insert the line, okay, fillable line, then you will have 2-3 methods in a Word. So first method, we can go to the insert, go to the shape and click on the line. Okay, and just hit the shift button and hold it. You have to enter the shift button and hold it and drag the line. You can take the line of length as you require, and here in shape format you can change that line color, and you can also change that line width. Now you can easily use your space key and keep the cursor where you want to write answer, and you can easily write on the line. Okay, and this line, it is not moving, so its line is still there, it's like freeze, and you can write on that line. Okay, I will show now. Let me show you the another method. Okay, so here we can use that uh, text box. Okay, so go to the insert, and here go to the text box and go to the dot text box, and you can drag the text box like this. And now go to the okay in okay just double click on this text box and go to the shape format, and here go to the shape fill and go to the click on no fill and go to the shape outline and click no outline. Okay, now you can simply write into the text box, and you can okay just move this text box. First you need to create line by using underscore. Okay, like this. Okay, if you write on this that underscore directly, that line will be moved, but after you create underscore line, you can use this text box and type your answer and put on this line. Okay, this is the second method. Third method, you can use the table. Okay, I will show you your age. Here go to the insert, go to the table and select the only one column. Okay, you need to select only one column. Okay, now we have insert that line, sorry, that column here. Okay, just select that column, and here you can see this margin, just decrease it from here and keep the lane which you want. Now you can move it to the keep at the front of these answer questions. Okay, or you can make that. Okay, you can use that margin to place your that column. Now select that column, click on this option, and here go to this border options and remove the top border. Okay, go to the home, go to the table. Okay, we need to use only bottom border. Okay, and table layout. Okay, now you can write your answer like this. Okay, so we have create that line, fillable line. Okay, so what you can do, just select that column and go here, and first select that no borders, then select only bottom borders. Now it's the line has been created and you can write your answer. Okay, if you have a long answer, then you can increase that column size and you can write your answer. So that is how you can create a line for you, fillable line for your answer in Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.